Hello, how are you all? Well, today we will discuss a new chapter, chapter number 8, and the name of the chapter is Atmospheric Pollution. In this chapter, we will study about acid rain composition, its causes, and its impact. Then, global warming and ozone depletion. Now, let's we start the chapter by its introduction. So, the name of chapter is atmospheric pollution. That means how atmosphere polluted. So, at first, we will start to know about the pollution. Actually, the word pollution it is derived from the Latin word that is called the pollutus. Meaning of pollutus means to make unclean. Now, atmospheric pollution are the conditions of air made unclean due to introduction of foreign to the air so as to cause adverse effects on living organisms on earth. That means when there will be entry of unwanted foreign materials which are harmful for us, they will make the air dirty and they cause the adverse effects on living organisms on the earth. This is called the atmospheric pollution. So, what are the pollutants? Actually, the substances which are responsible for the pollution, that substances which are responsible for the pollution, they are called the pollutants. So, pollutants here it is giving a table about the pollutants and their natural sources and man-made sources. So, man-made sources and natural sources both are responsible for the pollution. So, pollutants like mist, smoke, fumes, dust. These may be formed with the disintegration of rock and soil. It is a natural source, and in insecticides, oil, tobacco smoke, and in chemical processes and in metallurgy, this smoke, mist, and fumes can be formed by the man-made process. Now, oxides of sulfur, that are the sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Now, they naturally formed by the decay of plants and animals and by the volcanic eruptions. And in man-made sources, this sulfur dioxide will form after burning of fossil fuels, and sulfuric acid plants and smelting plants are also responsible for the production of sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Next one is nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide and nitrous oxide. So, by the natural way, when lightning discharge and certain microbes, they are responsible for the oxides formation of nitrogen. They are natural resources. They are natural sources which are responsible for the production of this pollutant, and by the man-made automobile exhaust and nitric acid plants and fertilizer industry, they produces the oxide of nitrogen. And in next case, that is carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide, it naturally formed by the volcanic eruptions and by the respiration. But when man made the incomplete combustion of petrol and after combustion of fossil fuel exhausts, these carbon dioxides are formed. These are the sources by man-made. Now, hydrogen sulfide. The hydrogen sulfide naturally formed after volcanic eruptions, and human form it by product in industrial process. So this is all about the natural source and man-made source which are responsible for the pollutants, and pollutants make the pollution in the environment. Here a figure is shown here which shows the ozone layer depletion, how this ozone layer is depleted, and the global warming, acid rain deposition. The figure showing all these things, but in this chapter you will study about these all things: global warming, ozone depletion, and acid rain separately. So see here, atmospheric pollutants resulting in acid rain, global warming, and ozone destructions. So oxides of sulfur, that means sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide, it is oxide of nitrogen, they are responsible for acid rain. And carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons, nitrous oxide, water vapor, and chlorofluorobromide. CFBr means chlorofluorobromides. They are responsible factors for the global warming. And in ozone destruction, chlorofluorocarbons, methyl chloride, methyl bromide, carbon tetrachloride, this is called the carbon tetrachloride, methane, and bromofluorocarbon. These are the factors which is responsible for the ozone destruction. Now this session is completed, and in our next video we will discuss about the acid rain. Till then, thank you.